Lackawanna College Surgical Technology Program is a 2-year associate degree program. The students will complete their first year learning all their skills with competency prior to going out for a rigorous clinical rotation where they must be competent in 120 surgical procedures to reach graduation requirements. The lab is a really important component of the students' education where they become competent with their skills one by one. They're able to put it all together so that they can perform during any given surgical procedure when they go out for their clinical. 1, 2. Definitely someone who is in love with the sciences. They're fascinated with the sciences, and someone who can adapt well, someone who likes to work in a fast-paced environment, loves to take care of patients. I always tell the students, my favorite person is the person on the table. I'm a huge advocate for quality patient care and competent healthcare professionals. It's an important factor that they're focused, and also someone who pays attention to detail. We are an accredited program, so they can sit for their national certification exam. So once they earn the credentials of CST, Certified Surgical Technologist, they can take that to any state. Surgical technology is a high demand occupation at this time, and our graduates have jobs prior to graduation because there is such a need. We have employers calling us on a weekly basis seeking surgical technologists. So if you want to come to Lackawanna College and earn your degree in surgical technology in 2 years, you can come out making a median average salary of $48,000, which can be a great compensation for only giving an investment of 2 years.